Hello and welcome to the ISO 9001-2015 Awareness Training Program. In today's session, we'll focus on Clause 7, Support. This clause is essential because it outlines what an organization needs to successfully implement and maintain its quality management system. Objectives for Clause 7. What Clause 7 is about. The key requirements within Clause 7. Simple definitions of important terms. Why Clause 7 is especially important in garment manufacturing. And best practices you can apply to strengthen support for quality systems. What is Clause 7 about? Clause 7 focuses on providing everything necessary for the quality management system to function effectively. This includes people, equipment, training, communication, documentation, and the working environment. Even the best plans will fail if these essential supports are missing. Key requirements of Clause 7. 7.1 Resources. Ensures that the right people, equipment, and environment are available. Example: purchasing enough fabric inspection tables and hiring skilled operators. 7.2 Competence. Makes sure workers have the right skills and training. Example: training new stitchers before assigning them to complex operations. 7.3 Awareness. Ensures employees understand their roles and impact. Example: quality control staff knowing how their checks affect customer satisfaction. 7.4 Communication. Maintains clear communication internally and externally. Example: daily production meetings and updates from merchandisers to buyers. 7.5 Documented information. Controls documents and records. Example: having up-to-date SOPs and controlled inspection forms for every process. Let's simplify some of the key terms. Resource: anything needed to do the job effectively, like tools, space, or people. Competence: having the right skills, knowledge, and training. Awareness: knowing what your role is and why it's important. Documentation: written records, instructions, or policies used to guide and verify work. Why is Clause 7 important in the garment industry? It ensures that machines, tools, and staff are properly prepared to meet quality standards. It helps prevent errors caused by untrained workers or outdated work instructions. It supports effective communication between planning, production, and quality assurance teams. And it provides documented proof of quality activities, which is critical for audits and customer trust. Here are some best practices for implementing Clause 7 effectively. Maintain a training matrix that shows who is trained on what tasks. Schedule regular skills assessments and refresher training sessions. Post visual SOPs and checklists at each workstation. Use controlled folders for storing official policies, forms, and instructions. Hold daily shift meetings to align teams on targets, issues, and updates. Summary of Clause 7. Your QMS needs strong support from the right people, tools, and working environment. Employees should be both competent and aware of their impact on quality. Communication must be clear and timely. And documentation should be controlled, accessible, and accurate. Thank you for watching this training session on Clause 7, Support under ISO 9001-2015. We hope this helped you understand how critical support systems are to maintaining quality. If you found this video useful, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay informed. See you next time in Lesson 8, Operation.